what's up everyone? In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how you can get any Sims 4 DLC for free in your device. So I'm going to be showing you this cool app that allows you to do that. And I'm going to be flipping my camera screen and showing you using my own phone, this cool app that allows you to do that, and how you can download and install it for yourself in your own device. So this cool app works whether you have Android or iOS. So yeah, you can go ahead and stick around and be able to download this for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so I want to show you first the app that allows me to be able to have the Sims game. So it's this one right here. It's the Sims 4 code generator. So it's a code generator app for me to be able to have game. So yeah, basically once you go ahead and open up the app, it's going to take you to this little menu here and you select whichever platform you're going to use. So I already have that one selected, and you can select which DLC. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the first one. And then down here you have this button that says generate to redeem and generate your code. So just go ahead and click there, and then immediately you get your code that you can use to be able to obtain the game. And yeah, basically that is it. Pretty simple. Now we are going to go ahead and continue with installing it so that you can also have this app just like I do in your device. However, if you are using iOS, we do need to make some adjustments to our settings before we continue. So let's go ahead and click our settings app. And of course, if you're using Android, you don't need to worry about these steps. So once we're in our settings, we're going to go ahead and click battery. And then here we just want to make sure that we tick off the low power mode. So make sure that it is off, it's not on, and also that you have at least 10% battery in your device, so that way you don't run into any issues once you are downloading and installing your app. And now we can head back to settings, and we're going to click general, and then we're going to click background app refresh, and then we're going to click there again. And then here we just want to make sure that we select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So whichever you prefer is totally fine. Just make sure that you do not select off. And now we can head back to our general settings, and now we're going to click about, and we just want to confirm that our iOS version is at least 11 or above. So if you don't have at least 11, I do recommend that you try to update your iOS version so that way the app will be compatible for your device. All right. Now heading back to our settings, we're going to go ahead and head down to Safari, and then once we're in Safari, we're going to go all the way down to advanced. And this is the last step, but it's very important. So make sure that you do enable JavaScript. So make sure that the slider is turned on just like that. So JavaScript allows the web page to load properly, meaning we can also download and install our app properly. So this is a very important step. And yeah, that's basically it for our settings adjustments for iOS. Now everyone, both Android and iOS users, we can just go ahead and open up our web browser, and whichever you prefer to use is totally fine. It doesn't matter. And we're just going to type in the name of the web page where we can find our app, which is this one right here. It's called risfix.com. So once you type it up, just go ahead and click go, and then the page is going to load just like that. So up here you have the search bar where you can search for your app. So you're just going to click there, and then you're just going to start typing the name of the app, which is the Sims 4 code generator. And once you find it, just go ahead and click the little green button here, and it's going to start downloading down here. So we're just going to give it a minute or so for it to finish downloading, and then we can continue with the rest, but we are almost finished actually. So yeah. As you can see, it's pretty quick. Doesn't take very long to download here. All right, so once that downloads there, you're gonna get redirected to this page here. And so this is the last step, basically, to be able to have the Sims 4 code generator installed 100% in your device. You're going to download 3 of these offers here, these apps here that they show you, and then you're going to restart your device. And once you restart your device and it's turned on again, you are going to be able to see the Sims 4 code generator app in your home screen along with every one of your apps, and you'll be able to use it. So yeah, guys, and if you do have any additional questions regarding this step, you have this little tutorial here that you can also watch. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and download 3 of these here and then restart your device, and you will be able to have your Sims 4 code generator and be able to play any Sims 4 DLC for free. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!